We back with another one, and this story comes out of Orange County about a turned up judge that smoked his wife, and now he's claiming it was accidental. Let's get into the story. Orange County judge who says wife's shooting was accidental to be tried on murder charge. Anaheim police testified that when they arrived to the scene, Orange County Superior Court Judge Jeffrey Ferguson said, "I just killed my wife." This story is from the USA Today by Anthony Robledo. Let's go. A California Superior Court judge says he accidentally shot his wife following an argument last year, has been ordered to stand trial on a murder charge. Jeffrey Malcolm Ferguson, a 73-year-old Orange County Superior Court judge, is charged in the death of his 65-year-old wife, Cheryl Ferguson, who was shot in the couple's home in Anaheim on August 3rd. At a court hearing on Thursday, Los Angeles County Superior Court Judge Eleanor J. Hunter rejected the defense motion to dismiss Ferguson's case and ordered Ferguson to stand trial. Ferguson's attorney, T. Edward Wellborn, had argued that there was insufficient evidence against his client and pointed to the couple's son, an only eyewitness who told police that he felt the shooting was accidental. He would never intend to hurt her, Wellborn told reporters following a previous court hearing. It was just a terribly tragic accident that occurred. The last thing he would try to do is hurt the love of his life. Oh, they caping hard for old Judge, ain't they? But that's how they do it. Officers say Ferguson failed like alcohol after the shooting. Wait, what? Oh, I tell you what, man. These writers, I read so many of these stories, and the mistakes I find in these stories will shock you guys. I don't think people proofread these articles before they post them. Let's try that again, but we're going to correct it for them. Officers say Ferguson smelled like alcohol after the shooting. The hearing featured testimony from 3 Anaheim police officers and a detective who arrived to the couple's home after their adult son called 911. "I just killed my wife," Ferguson said when police arrived. Officer Andrew Compton testified, according to KABC TV. Anaheim officer Joshua Gentilla testified that Ferguson smelling of alcohol and asked, "What did I do? My son will hate me forever," according to the Los Angeles Times. Ferguson, who was in tears, asked whether his wife was dead at one point and also told police to just shoot me, the officers testified. Hunter ruled there was probable cause for the judge to have intentionally killed his wife and that there was enough evidence to support a murder charge, the Times reported. The argument that preceded the shooting: the Fergusons and one of their adult sons, Philip, were eating at a Mexican restaurant before the shooting. Anaheim Police Detective Michael Wynn testified. According to KABC TV, Philip told police that his parents got into an argument and his father pointed a hand gesture in the shape of a gun at his mother and that she then walked out of the restaurant, Wynn said. After dinner, the 3 went home and watched television before arguing again, Philip told police. As Philip was about to go outside, he overheard his mother saying something along the lines of, "Why don't you point a real gun at me?" He told police he then saw his father holding a gun that immediately went off. Philip told police there were a number of reasons he thought his dad fired the weapon accidentally, including that his father never shoots one-handed and that his parents routinely argued, KABC TV reported. He also said he believed alcohol played a factor and pointed to a previous incident in which his father fired a bullet into a bathroom floor, according to the Times. Oh, so he had aggression going already. The judge concluded that while I appreciate the son's opinion that this was accidental, bless his heart, he's in a horrible position, she said. according to the Times. He murdered his wife, and now he's pleading for sympathy. I do not believe that this man accidentally shot his wife, because people don't horse around like that unless they intentionally wanted to kill someone. He's pointing hand gestures at her at the restaurant. He continued to do it at home. He had another incident where he fired around in the bathroom. Uh, when things like this happen, I'm sure the police was called and nothing was done about it. She probably should have got away from him. You don't take things like that lightly. And he probably figures his status as a judge will protect him. And now he's facing murder charges. Throw the book at him. Give him as much time as you can give him. There was nothing accidental about this. You don't accidentally point a gun at someone and then it accidentally goes off. Who plays like that? And the many cases that this judge has had in front of him, he should have known better to do anything like that. If it was accidental, you just don't do that. You pointing a gun at someone. But I have no doubt that it wasn't accidental. Like I say, no one plays like that, and especially a judge. He should know better. The thousands of people that probably came across him in front of him in the courtroom, and he passed judgment on them. Now it's his time to be standing in front of a judge and have someone pass judgment on him. I hope they will prosecute him to the fullest extent of the law. Appreciate everybody for watching. As always, leave your thoughts in the comments, and we will see you on the next one.